What's up mga parts? Another day, another vlog. This is Ben Bong and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video mga parts, we're going to Pattaya, Thailand. Yes. So ngayon nga mga parts, it's our day 4 here in Thailand. Day 1, 2, and 3, we spent our 3 days in Bangkok. Ang dami na namin nagawa, napisin na namin yung mga temples, night market, floating market, tsaka nag-dinner cruise na rin kami mga parts. And if you want to watch my vlogs, please check my YouTube channel and please don't forget to subscribe. So our day 4, we will be spending our whole day here in Pattaya. And as you can see mga parts, we're on our way. Look at that view. And we rented a car via Klook. And samahan nyo kami mga parts kung ano yung pwede nyo ma-explore if ever you are planning also to go to Pattaya when you go here in Thailand. So without further ado mga parts, let's go to Pattaya, Thailand! So yun na nga mga parts, we're already on our way to Pattaya from Bangkok. And we rented our car via Klook for 7,800. Ano na yun mga parts? Customized itinerary. So may kasama din siyang driver for 7,800. And first on our list is the Sanctuary of Truth. Madami kaming mga gustong puntahan sa Pattaya. And day tour lang yun, hindi kayo matutulog doon. Babalik din kami later on. So if you are curious about and if you are planning to do the same, this video is for you. So let's go to the Sanctuary of Truth in Pattaya, Thailand. Mga parts, we're here in the Sanctuary of Truth. So, eksakto mga parts, umalis kami ng Bangkok at 8 a.m. Nandito na kami at 10 a.m. So, first on our itinerary is this one. Kasi ang sabi, agahan daw namin. Kasi pag madami ng tao paghapon. So, yun lang mga parts, yung driver lang namin, hindi lang siya very fluent in English. Siya nag-Google Translate or nagta-use kami ng translate sa app. Pero okay naman, mabait naman. And then along the way, pwede naman kayong mag-request if you want to go to the washroom. But kami, dito na kayo magto-toilet. And also mga parts, for me, ano na siya, affordable or okay na siya. Kasi yung 8,000, binook namin yun sa Klook or 7,800. Tatlo kasi kami. So mas mura yun kung kayo ay 4. So divided by 3, para mga 2 sa 2,700 lang kami. So nandito na kami, mag-CCR lang kami, and then bibili na kami ng ticket. Sasabihin namin sa inyo kung magkano and paano yung mga proseso dito. So let's go. So mga parts, meron dito buy ticket, online booking and agent. Dito tayo sa buy ticket kasi wala pa kaming ticket. So the ticket is for may time. How much? May time. 8 to 6 a.m. open. Adult is 500 baht mga parts. Child is 250 baht. And mga parts, meron ditong may prescribed attire. So hindi pwede yung mga sleeveless for kids. And I think hindi rin pwede yung below the knees. If hindi naman, or may nakalimutan kayo, may pinapahiram ata sila, pinaparent. By the way, I like my shirt for today. Mango sticky rice. Yan. Kuya, video mga likod ko. Yung t-shirt ko is from Punkberry na binili namin sa Pratunam kahapon. So si kuya naman meron siyang Bangkok spicy tom yum na debangkit. This is for only for 290 baht. Ang ganda ng quality, ang ganda ng shirt. So this is a local brand, Punkberry. And And yun, but if you haven't watched my Pratunam vlog, check that out in my YouTube channel. For now, let's go and buy ticket.
Can go by yourself, no? Just properly shop and inside not allowed, no? Yeah, shop and inside not allowed. You can
This is
borrow
allowed.
inside.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yay! It's long.
It's free, no? You can borrow inside, it's free. Only deposit 200 baht and return money back. Okay, no? No big camera, no live stream, no drone, no smoking, no food, no drink inside. Phone camera is okay.
Can
no
I
flash.
video?
Yeah. So no flash, no?
Ah, flash, okay.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Manila,
Okay,
Philippines.
so English goes down. Sir, 1040. English goes down, 1040.
1040.
Yeah, come here, sir.
1040?
Yeah, 1040. It's okay? 1040 is okay?
For English? English,
Yeah,
okay.
English goes down, 1040.
Okay.
So 1,500 baht.
Okay. Do you have credit card? Ah, okay. Mga parts, ang dami pang Pilipino dito ng kabayo. So, meron silang mga... Ako South, ako Pasig. Si bang nag-north? Ikaw mali ka na.
Alin ba?
Taga saan?
Kaya nga, sa Laguna.
South, north ba yun?
South nga, wala naman sinabing North ah.
Wala ba?
Wala.
May narinig ako.
Di ba dami nagtatagalog?
Hello. Vloggery.
Dagiris.
Thank you.
Yes, and meron ganito.
Down the tail left, no? Straight
Okay.
down the tail left.
Okay. So mga parts, bawal yung microphone kasi actually bawal daw mag-vlog sa loob. So pag nakita nila na merong microphone, kaya tinanggal ko na. Na-assume nila na vlogger. So tinanggal ko na para pwede tayo mag-video. Let's go! So mga parts, madami din palang pwedeng gawin dito. Meron din sila rowing boat, horse carriage or horseback riding. Pwede rin kayo magpamassage, mag-ride ng elephant, speedboat, and mag-Thai costume. Pwede rin. So yung first day namin nag-Thai costume na kami. So pag di mo pa yung napanood parts, ayan, hanapin mo yan sa aking chat. And ito na, on the way, meron siyang time. So we are at 10:40 a.m. So ito na yung entrance for 10:40 for the English tour kasi may mga kanya-kanyang language. So we are at 10:40 for English. Now it's 10:20, so 20 minutes. English.
English tour at
10:40. Yeah. So dahil yung mga parts natin, mga naka-short kasi, kita yung legs, bawal. Dapat below the knee. So meron silang deposit na 200 baht. Pero babalik naman yan. So bawal din yung mga ganyan. Yung Sanctuary of Truth. So by the way mga parts, yung Sanctuary of Truth is the biggest wooden museum in the world. So gusto ko din siyang mapuntahan. It's the biggest wooden museum. And mga parts, wala siyang ginamit na pako. As in puro wood lang talaga. Puro wood lang yun mga parts. Okay? So dito sa entrance mga parts, since tayo ay 10:40 pa, 10:20 pa lang, meron silang mini museum here. Ayan may mini museum. Ang nakaka-curious mga parts, iba yung manok nila Natakot ako may mga bibi dito. Mahabulin ako. May mga manok, dito may mini museum. Tingnan natin. Anong meron. Kasi 10:40 pa naman. So, wow. Oh. Meron dito goat. Daming goat. So, kanina may mga nagpapakain doon ng goat. May bayan. Ito yung goat. Hello. Daming goat. Oh, nakapakalaga. Ay, meron din ditong deer. There. Over there. Ang laki ng goat. So, may mini so dito. Sa may entrance while waiting. So, yun mga parts, 500 baht yung entrance sa peso. Baka mga 900 to 1,000 na. And may guided tour naman siya. Yung English is sa 10:40. Okay? Mga parts dito din, may mga souvenir din. So this is 403 baht. Is the wood same? The wood used here?
This one wood outside. Inside, same inside.
Ah, do you have inside? Okay. So may souvenir shop na din dito. Kasi gusto ko talaga din bumili. So tingnan natin kung magkano. Okay. Kawadi ka. Ito yung souvenir shop pala. Ah, okay.
This one museum wood frame.
Ah, the same wood inside.
Yeah, everything here.
Oh,
This one handmade here.
handmade. Yeah, correct. Yun pa pala mga parts kasi handmade lahat ng curvings doon. 450. Oh. Kasi gusto ko to eh, 400. So let's see mga parts kung makakabili lahat. Wala. 51 to 80. Mga parts meron din ditong restaurant. Yung Nakluwak Kitchen. May coffee din if ever nagutom kayo ngayon. And mga parts, I can see already the Sanctuary of Truth from here. Ayun siya oh. Laki. Although medyo malayo pa kami kasi pababa pa yan. So yeah, wait muna tayo dito. So mga parts, start na yung English tour pero hindi namin siya masyado ma-appreciate kasi madaming tao ngayon and then we don't really understand kung ano na nangyayari. So parang sa umpisa ina-explain lang yung anong history pero yeah, sinabi naman sa Google simula ng 1981 nag-start silang gawin tong Sanctuary of Truth na puro wood lang. And then up until now, ginagawa pa din siya, hindi pa rin siya tapos. So yun, ang alam ko, we will be provided by helmet. Kasi yun nga, kailangan pa siyang, ito dahil di pa siya tapos. So yeah, ito pababa lang. So pag may mga senior citizen or bata, yeah, medyo mahirap lang, medyo challenging. So ito na mga parts, pinagsuot kami ng helmet.
Okay, to everyone, please receive your helmet for your safety because it's the study.
Tapos may briefing
And
here.
there's the helmet behind. This place is the actual birthplace of the artist team that you will get the first hand, the carve over here before they install both inside and outside of the museum. In terms of the design, we have already the blueprint from the founder, Mr. Kolek Biriapan. Alright, so over here, come forward this way. So everyone, as you can see over here, this is the example of the decoration of the museum. So they will finish this 1 to 3 months. It depends on the measurement of the wood. And after the carving, they will set up inside the museum manually. So everyone, they are now using the chisels and the hammer also. So don't worry, after the tour, you can come back here, you can experience how they carving. You can approach our staff over here. So they will stay here until 5 p.m. The original model of the museum. It is scale of 1 to 10, 1 centimeter here, and 10 centimeter over there. So we demonstrate first here before we conduct the real works. Our museum is different from the other places because we don't use
So mga pals, may pinaprovide na tayo kasi mainit. So we're now ready to enter the temple. Pero yun nga, ang entrance pala nito mga pals ay nandun sa kabilang side, sa dagat. Kasi yun yung pinapaniwalaan nila for feng shui. So, dun tayo.
Okay, over here.
Init!
Yes, the lowest in our body building is composed of vents, ceiling, floors, and windows. So over here is the base. So it's divided into two.
detail. Grabe yung details mga parts. And it's made by hand. Grabe. Ang laki pa rin. So talagang it's worth the visit.
This is King Ramanai. The previous king, King Bumipon, Adoya de the Great. So he's dead how many years ago? But he never dies in the heart of his soul. So I believe in second best family. So that's what we have also the video of our father. Like Raymond and Ramanai.
Mga parts, tapos na kami dito sa Sanctuary of Truth. So ito, paakit na ulit ng hagdan. So yun nga, suggestion ko mga parts, medyo nakakapagod siya. And medyo mainit. Also mga parts, ang suggestion ko din, agahan nyo na lang dito kasi dami namin kasabay. Kahit na today is a Monday, dami pa rin. So mga 8 o'clock, yan, open naman na siya. But worth the visit. Maganda yung background, street. And nakaka-amaze yung effort nila. How they were able to do it. And continue to do it. So yeah, now let's go to our next destination. Whew. Mga parts, nandito na tayo sa Pattaya Buddha Mountain. Yan. So mga parts, mga 30 minutes from the Sanctuary of Truth. Pero since nga kami ay merong private car, kaya hindi na kami na problema sa transportation. Though, mga parts, yun pala, nakalagay pala sa clue. Pag pupunta kayo ng Satahip, which is dito yon sa Mountain Buddha or Buddha Mountain, and malapit na din dito yung Nongnuch Garden, may additional na 500 baht. Ganun talaga, nakalagay yun sa clue. So, dito naman, wala namang bayad, it's for free. Meron lang donation dun sa likod or dun sa entrance if you want to provide or give donation. Pero, ano siya, libre siya. And eto na siya mga parts. Yan. The Buddha Mountain. And did you know mga parts na ginawa daw nila ito via laser. Na-laser nila yung mountain. Kaya sometimes, it is also called the Laser Mountain. Or Laser Buddha. Or Buddha Mountain. Pero mas kilala siya na Buddha Mountain. Eto na siya mga parts. Yan. So, few walk lang. Few minutes walk. Doon sa entrance, ang lapit lang. Ito na siya mga parts. So, since libre naman siya mga parts, daan na din kayo dito pag pupunta naman talaga kayo ng Nongnuch Garden. Okay, so ngayon, picture-picture lang dito mga parts. Wala na mga kailangan pang kung ano-ano. Picture lang to. Okay, let's go. So mga parts, nandito kami sa House of Benedict. So, ano din siya, parang attraction, restaurant, cafe. And may ticket. May ticket. Ikano? How much is the entrance?
Get 200 baht.
200 baht. So, yun mga parts, may entrance lang na 200 baht. So mga parts yun nga, may entrance na 200 baht. So I think parang, di ko alam kung isa lang ba yung restaurant. Or yun, ito na lang. Ay, pero ito na siya, oh. Wow. Yan, the House of Benedict. So siguro parang meron kasi siyang mga shops. Ayan, no. And then meron ding mga cafe that you can choose. Malaki siya mga parts, as in malaki siya. So, ito siya. And maraming IG worth na mga stations. Ayan, no. Katulad niyan, para may mga ganyan-ganyan. Ito naman, iba naman, may cafe dito. Ayan. So, pwede kayong mamili. Parang, ano siya, since it's House of Benedict, maraming mga pwede kayong kainan. Yun naman siya. And meron din sa taas. Tapos, pwede na kayong ayan, umanap ng mga kakainan nyo dito. And meron din sa taas mga parts. May mga shops din, oh. Sa taas. Akyat tayo sa taas. So, tingnan natin tong taas. Ako, ang daming tao. Tingnan natin. What is here? Ang dami pa, mga kung ano-ano. Pa dito. Pero yun mga parts, ako parang if you just want to eat, you can look for other specific restaurants that you might want. Kasi dito, yeah, may entrance kasi siya na additional 200 baht. So hindi ko sure kung is it worth it because if you just want to eat. But if you want IG work na mga ganyan, then you can drop by House of Benedict. At the same time, you can eat here. Ayun, may mga iba-ibang team naman sila. So yeah, that's it mga parts. Hanap tayo ng makakainan natin here at the House of Benedict, Pattaya. Mga parts, so meron din pala ditong cafe, coffee shop. Ang dami namang options mga parts. So it will also pwede rin kayo mag-take ng time dito. Ano. And then, here, may iba naman kayong options. Kung saan nyo trip umupo at kumain. So, meron din dito American, pan and fry, cheeseburger. But kami, nag-order kami dito sa Bantay because you want some Thai food, Bantay. Thai rice noodles, meron din. And dito. So, naka-order na ako ng fried rice with pork. Order na ako ng drink siguro. Dito na lang. So, mga parts, yan na yung food namin. I ordered fried rice pork. Eh, dali sa'yo, kuya.
Crispy pork?
Crispy pork, fried rice with egg, with pork. And of course, mga parts, syempre, hindi natin papalagpasin ang Thai milk tea. At tagal na natin nagkikrib ng Thai milk tea. So, yeah, this costs 80 baht. This is 129 baht. So, ito na, I think, yung pinakamura, one of the mura. So, tikman natin kung masarap. Kasi fried rice with pork, ay ang liit lang pala ng pork. Konti lang yung pork, para may egg lang siya.
Later ay...
Harap.
Parang it's 1,000 plus ang entrance sa ano.
Harap din yung Thai milk tea. So yun mga parts, tapos na kami mag-lunch doon sa House of Benedict. And we're now here in Nong Nook Garden and Resort. Eh, may entrance din dito mga parts, pero nag-book na lang kami sa Klook. Na binook namin yung entrance with ano nga tawag doon kuya? Shuttle tour. Ano ba? With tour. Shuttle bus kasi nga sobrang laki nito mga parents. So pag hindi naman kayo nag-avail, para mga 500 baht lang yung entrance fee. Pag kasama yung shuttle bus, it's 700. So yun, tingnan natin kung okay naman siya. So mga parts, ito yung yung packages. So pag admission, adult 600 baht. Package 2, sightseeing bus pala. So same naman, 700. Ito naman with elephant show, 800. Pag may lunch buffet, 800. Thai food sleeping sightseeing bus, 1,000. Ayan, ang pinakamalahal nila yung package 815. Pag adult, child 1,250. So yun, ito yung entrance niya mga parts. So meron din ditong ATM, money exchange if ever you are asking. And then coffee shop, mga parang pasalubong center, may washroom din doon. So yun mga parts. So mga parts, i-claim nyo lang yung booking nyo dun sa Klook, dun sa registration, and then scan nyo lang. Na tayo sa entrance. We will wait for the sightseeing bus. Where? Uy, ang laki. Oh my God. Cactus. Ang laki ng cactus mga parts. Oh. Wow. Cactus area pa lang yan. Diba? Imagine niyo iba pa. Sobrang dami. Mga parts, meron din ditong elephant. Wow.
Mida, you stand here, elephant hut.
Picture?
Masa, yeah. Stand here, I can
Free?
show you.
With
Up to you.
okay.
Up to you. You go across with the old
So mga parts, dito yung sightseeing bus. Meron ding mga option to ride elephant, but of course hindi natin gagawin yon. Pro wildlife tayo, so bukod sa may bayad siya, pero yan, nakakaawa actually yung mga elephant. So hindi ako masyadong tayo sasakay. Okay, so let's go now to the sightseeing bus. 3, 2, here we go. So yung lalaki ha, laki ng mga bonsai nila.
ซ้ายมือนี่บล็อกที่จากแอฟริกา
Ito naman.
บล็อกมีอายุเขาอยู่ได้เป็น 2,000 ปีแล้วที่คนพื้นเมือง
So mga parts, ito daw ay orchid garden naman. So orchidarium, mga orchids daw. May nadaan. Oh. So yun mga parts, binaba kami dito, pero yun nga, it's up to you kung ano. Parang half in half naman siya. Nasaan yung mga orchids? Where's the orchids?
Doon sa dulo. Kaya kape akin ka.
Wait, there's elephant over there. Ito naman, mga bromeliad naman daw. Oh. Ayan, orchids yan. Yeah? Joke lang. Takot yan. So mga parts, apparently there are 63 activities that you can enjoy here in Nong Nook Garden and Resort. Sobrang dami. So parang nakadala mo pa lang kami. Although, yeah, I think those kids or mga tao na nag-ilig sa mga dinosaurs, syempre yung plants given na yan, mag-enjoy talaga sila kasi ang dami. Pero ang dami rin silang kanya-kanya siya ng team. Ayan. And depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo bumaba and then gusto nyo mag-take ng photos. But kami, parang ako personally, I enjoyed just riding the sightseeing bus. Kasi yun naman siya. Binayaran mo naman to. But yun nga, anytime you want to go down, you can. And you can ride again. Okay, so this is a sightseeing bus. Oh, Car Museum daw. Car Museum. Ay, ito maganda. Yan. Wow, lalaki ng turtle. Actually mga parts, you have the option to walk. Kasi merong admission na walang sightseeing bus. But yun nga, with the weather currently, it's so hot. And of course, if you are challenged with walking, then definitely highly recommended to ride the sightseeing bus. Okay, let's continue with the tour mga parts. And mga parts, apparently, this is the most beautiful garden in the world. Pero Pero mukha naman mga parts kasi sobrang laki niya, number one. Number one in size, it's very big. And I think in terms of varieties of plants that you can see here, definitely ang dami talaga. And hindi lang siya madami, ang ganda rin ang pagkaka-arrange nyo. Malinis, everything is in order. Ang linis nyo. And dito naman mga bonsai. Diba? Okay. Dito naman mga anthurium. Ito naman mga coconut daw. Yan. Laki, sobrang laki. No, another bromeliad. Oh, nursery naman. Kanina yung bromeliad ano. Oh my God, laki ng cactus. Okay, may under construction pa. Hindi pa kompleto. Ito naman mga parts, mga dinosaur naman. Oh. Ayan, mga mahilig sa dinosaur. Mga bata. Ayan. Oh, nakita ko to sa Jurassic Park. Wow, ayun may T-Rex. Laki. Ayan o. Diba? Ay mga parts, bumaba kami doon sa ano, dito sa Skywalk. Ang saya kasi may aircon, lamig. Woo! Tapos meron dito mga souvenirs na din. Also meron silang shops. May CR over there. And ang pangmaganda, may pagkain and yun nga, malamig. Nag-enjoy po ba tayo, Pards? Yeah! Super enjoy po si Pards Jerome. Favorite na favorite niya po talaga itong mga garden at saka yung mga statue. Yan po talaga yung mga trip niya. Kaya talagang highly suggested po niya ito ni Pards Jerome ang Noose Garden. Ay, may mga massage din pala. Ito na yung entrance sa Skywalk. Mga Pards, gusto namin i-beat ang heat with a triple fruit ice cream. Ba't parang tunaw to?
There's also Thai.
So, mayroong Thai tea. This is 20 baht. Yeah. Try natin din. At least matry natin ito ka na lang. Ice cream. 20 baht. So, mga parts, nandito tayo sa Sky Garden or Skywalk. Yan. Yung mga cactus na malalaki. Grabe. Ganda, oh. Ang laki ng cactus nila. Ba't ganun? Mga parts, kung mayroon kayong mga anak, matutuwa. Matutuwa sila kasi ang lakas yung gusto naman yung lingguhan ng mga pangtatay ang music natin. Na para bang, yun nga, as I was mentioning, pag may mga bata, tapos kilala nila yung mga dinosaurs, I'm sure mag-e-enjoy. Ang dami, nandito lahat. Ito parts, yung part na to parts, maganda. Yan yung laki ng mga dinosaurs. Mukhang totoo. And meron dun parang French garden. So ngayon, baba naman tayo. After natin dito sa Skywalk. Baba kayo dyan, yung pag nakita nyo yung Skywalk station, maganda. Matry nyo yung Skywalk. Mga parts, tapos na kami sa Noose Garden. And last, the stop na namin, our destination dito sa Pattaya. And mga parts, syempre, hindi natin papalagpasin ang pagpunta sa Pattaya without experiencing the beach. Syempre, mga parts, Pattaya is known for the beach. So, ito yung nilas namin. Nandito kami ngayon sa Oxygen Beachfront Oasis. And isa din ito sa highly rated at maganda na pinupuntahan din ng mga tao if they want to observe sunset and have their coffee. So ito yung beachfront, Oxygen Beachfront.
Tikon pizza.
Yes, so mga parts, we'll just have some coffee or snack or drinks, refreshment over here, and then we're heading back to the city, Bangkok. So now, let's see kung ano yung pwede nating orderin and ano yung pwede nyo expect, magkano yung kailangan yung magastos dito or expectation versus reality. Let's go! Maganda yung review dito mga parts, lalo na daw pag sunset. So, natin. Anong number natin, kuya? Ha? 13. 49.50. So, our table is 13. So, pagdating nyo dito mga parts, bibigyan kayo ng seat number muna. So, hindi kayo pwedeng basta-basta papasok. 13. Ayan, ganda mga parts. So, look at that view. Wow, so nice. Oh, nandito din sila. Yung mga nandun sa kanina nasa Sanctuary of Truth. Wow, ang ganda mga parts. Ganda mga parts. Punta kayo dito. Hey! So this is table 13. Wow, and thank God there's a fan. And this will be our view. Wow! So mga parts, ito yung kanilang menu, international cuisine. Oh, wow! So mga parts, post nyo na lang. But the price ranges from 195 appetizer to as much as 500 baht. To share, I think malaki naman yung mga servings nila. But mga parts, we're just here for some snack. So, yan. Feel free to pause this video if you want to check the menu. And we're actually interested specifically to their drinks. Oy, kuya, there's pizza here.
Yeah, I want pizza actually.
Okay. And the drinks, we have watermelon, coconut, fruit shakes, sparkling. Yeah, and yung price is 140 baht mga parts. And so many more. Daming menu mga parts. So, mojito, non-alcoholic spirits they have. So, for now, let's just enjoy this moment. So mga parts, sobrang trending ang buko ng Thailand. Sobrang tamis daw nito. So ngayon, ito yung in-order ko. Tikman natin kung talagang siya ay mas matamis pa daw to sa buko ng Pilipinas. So tikman natin. Parang hindi. Matamis naman. Matamis mga parts, pero basta may iba siyang lasa. Pero mga parts, ito ay 185 baht. So mga 400 pesos. So mga parts, medyo mahal. So yeah, for the experience mga parts, at least try natin ang buko ng Thailand. So mga parts, nag-order din kami ng 4 cheese pizzas. Yeah. So 185, magkano yung pizza kuya? 300 baht. So, ha?
300 plus.
300 plus 180, so mga 500 baht, doon mga 1,000. So, syempre ganun talaga mga parts, pag nandito kayo sa beachfront, binabayaran talaga yung view, and of course, nakita nyo naman yung venue, ang ganda. So, yeah, so in total, so far, for me, the highlight of this travel is the Sanctuary of Truth. Sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. And ang dami namin natutunan about how Thai people are very dedicated, and of course, when it comes to their history and culture, very, very rich. So, Pards, Jerome, ano yung pinaka-highlight of this Pattaya trip for you?
Long notch. No.
Which one?
Sanctuary of
Sanctuary of Truth as well. How about you, Pards Edison? Sanctuary of Truth. Yeah, so we all like the Sanctuary of Truth. So if ever Pards, if you will be going to Pattaya, don't miss out to go and experience the Sanctuary of Truth. Alam niyo na kung paano pumunta and magkano magagastos nyo. And for me, I can skip the
Long route.
no, that we have other yeah, we can skip the next time. We can skip yung mountain Buddha Mountain, and the Nong Nooks Garden. But Sanctuary of Truth, a must visit here in Pattaya. So yun mga parts, I hope nagkaroon kayo ng idea on what to expect and what to explore here in Pattaya. And I still have a lot of Thailand vlog, Bangkok vlogs. If ever you are interested, just check it out in my YouTube channel. Tomorrow we're leaving to Manila from Bangkok, and I hope we can have an opportunity to go back here in Thailand. I like Thailand. But of course, kind reminder to everybody, most of the stores here do not accept card, or kung nag-accept man sila ng card, they charge additional %. And most of the stores, they accept cash. So yun mga parts, and I hope ay nakatulong ang video nito. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment down below if you have additional questions, and please follow me in my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, all set behind Bong. And don't forget to hit the bell icon para like updated whenever I upload new videos. So yun mga parts, hanggang sa mga susunod kong YouTube videos. Stay safe and healthy. Bye!